In today's activity, we're going to talk about Social Security, Medicare, and retirement. These are all three things that get taken out of your paycheck before it goes into your bank account. So you're going to start with your gross income, which you figured out from the chart. Social Security is 6.2%, so you're going to multiply your gross income times 0.062. That's going to tell you your Social Security getting taken out. Medicare, you're going to take your income and you're going to multiply it by 1.45%, and that's going to tell you how much Medicare. And then for your retirement, you're going to multiply by 10%. Once you get those numbers and your federal and state income tax, you're going to fill out this chart and you're going to subtract everything from your gross income. That is now going to tell you your net income or your take-home pay. This is what you will actually see on your paycheck.